notochord is a long, rod-like support structure that runs along the back of the animal, separating the nervous tissue from the gut. It provides a place for muscles to attach for ease of movement. True vertebral column and internal skeleton. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomic. They have a notochord and separate dorsal nerve cord. They have paired gill pouches. Let us see all 5 classes of vertebrata in detail. Pisces are nothing but fish. They are exclusively aquatic animals. They obtain oxygen dissolved in water by using gills. The body is streamlined and a muscular tail is used for movement. They are cold-blooded and their hearts have only 2 chambers, unlike 4 chambers in human beings. They lay eggs. Some of the examples are shark, seahorse, and flying fish. Toads and salamanders are the examples of amphibia. They have a 3-chambered heart. They also differ from the fish in the lack of scales and in having mucus glands in the skin. They lay eggs. These animals are found both in water and on land. Hence, respiration is through either gills or lungs. Chameleon, flying lizard, snake, crocodile and turtle are some examples of reptilia. While most of them have a 3-chambered heart, crocodiles have 4 heart chambers. They lay eggs with tough coverings and do not need to lay their eggs in water, unlike amphibians. Fall in the category of aves. Some examples are sparrow, hen, penguin, and eagle. Having wings does not make organisms as birds. Bats and houseflies are not birds, but an eagle is a bird. The reason for this difference is that the eagle has feathers and 2 forelimbs are modified for flight. They are warm-blooded animals and have a 4-chambered heart. They lay eggs. Blooded animals with 4-chambered hearts: bear, camel, bat, dolphin, kangaroo, and human are all examples of mammals. They have mammary glands for the production of milk to nourish their young ones. Most mammals, like human beings, elephants, and lions, produce live young ones. Kangaroos give birth to very poorly developed young ones. But a few of the mammals, like platypus and echidna, lay eggs.